Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I shot this video back in March. I'm a bit late. Now it's July, but I still wanted to share with you guys as I go along with my build. So now I'm at the shop at the good buddy of mine, Danny. He owns the shop, L5P Auto. And we're installing the Banks map sensor spacers. We all know about those. Like if you have a Duramax, you definitely need these, that's for sure. In the filming of this video, it was around 5,000 kilometers. It's probably around 2,600 miles, around that number. Had zero issues. The sensors were still clean, but we still cleaned them up when we installed the spacers, just to make sure like I don't have to do it like in the near future, right? And you guys know it's a super easy install. I could have done it, but sadly I don't have a garage that I can fit the truck in. So I had to go at the shop. If you have a garage, good for you. I don't have one yet, but I'm looking for one. Probably gonna need a bigger house, but a bigger garage as well. So, and also you guys know I did install a leveling kit on my truck just to level out the front. But turns out the front was a bit higher than the rear in this video. I really like the way it's looking right now on the 35s with the leveling kit. It looks really good. It's a 3-inch Cognito leveling kit. It comes with the upper arm and the new torsion keys. So the next step, I want to add a 3-inch block in the rear instead of this stock 2-inch. I want to add a 3 inches just to make it a little beefier in the back. I don't mind the squat, but I like when my truck looks beefier in the rear, you know what I mean? Like, all right guys, I'll be sharing the new video pretty soon. I just need to finish editing and upload, and it's summer stuff where it's not, now we're going back to winter, right? So I'll catch you guys later, all right? Take care.